Hi student, this is Yashadhari. In this video we learn the IP addressing. What is the IP addressing here? IP address is nothing but an internet protocol to assign a unique identification of a device. You are assigning the address for the particular system. Okay, the IP address is a 32-bit long, means it is a 32-bit long. It will divided into a 4 octal, that is in each octal it has a 8 bit. Okay, so first, second, third, fourth, total is 32 and each partition has the 8 bits in a 1 octal. Okay, how we represent this one means how it is a value in each octet range from 0 to 255. The IP address is in the way we have to represent either a binary notation or you can use a digital one. Okay, we represent our binary in this way, 8 bits of 00 and 8 bits of 1s. Okay, total is 0 to 255. Each octal has a 0 to 255. Here it is a 32-bit long, where I already told that this is a 32-bit long. How it is divided? It is divided into network part and host part. Total is 32 and that will divided into the host part and a network part. Okay. This is a dotted decimal, means 8 bit of a octal. Each octal represent a classes. On the basis of classes we are dividing the IP addresses. Okay, so basically it divided into two parts, that is a network part and a host part among the 32. Okay, and in this will be we represent in a 4 bytes, means 32 is converted into 8 bits, 8 bits, 8 bits, 8 bits, total 32. Okay, how this 8 bit are converted into network and host, that is we learn in the classes. We have 5 types of classes in our IPv4 addressing. Okay, first how we represent this, or how we have to return the binary to a decimal. This is an example. Here the 4 partition they are given, right? This is 1 1 1 and this is representation of a binary to decimal. I am taking this one as a 1 0 0 0 0 0 6 zeros and 1. Total is 8 bits. So first 1 into to the power of 0 plus we are adding each power 2's power, you have to concentrate, it's 0 to 7, total is 8, and what are the value they are given, you have to multiply that and addition of next bits. Like this we have to convert that binary into the decimal. Yeah, getting my point? A 32 bit we can take is a binary. There are two methods to denote the addresses. One is binary notation and the decimal. This is a binary representation of a address, and this is how we have converted this binary into the decimal. Clear? So next this is how. Now the notations that I have told, these are two prevented notations to the IPv4 address. One is binary notation and second one is decimal notation. In binary notation, IPv4 address is displayed as a 32 bits. Each octal is often referred as a byte. 8 bits equals to 1 byte, right? So how 4 bytes are there. So it is common to hear an IP address referred as a 32-bit address or a 4-byte address. The following, this is an example given. You have to convert this as a decimal as well. Dotted decimal notation. And remember the thing, here after 8 bits we have to use the dot or a period operator to separate the network and host parts. To make the IP address more compact, because we are human, maybe the calculation of the you can't remember this much, right? So that's why we represent in the decimal. This is bit easy compared to the binary. Okay, this is how we have to represent in a decimal. I hope this much is clear.